back to my channel. Hope everyone's having a great weekend. Well, today I have yet another edition of what is in my flyers this week. But more specifically, we're wanting to know whether or not we have coupons or coupon inserts or any type of savings whatsoever in the flyers this week. I know that a lot of people do like this type of video, so I appreciate that, and because of you, I will keep making them, because I know a lot of us may not get these types of flyers sent to our door, so people are curious, you know, whether or not they're missing out and whether or not they should ask friends and families to maybe pass on their coupons to them. Is it worth their while? Or, you know, maybe not this time around. But that being said, we have another edition of what's in our flyers. So, oh, and I know on the last video, which was posted, I believe it was a week ago or so, I received the red plum insert, and a couple of our friends here commented down below that they didn't receive red plum. They received, I believe it was, now I can't remember if it was P&G or SMARTSOURCE. So don't know why. Maybe it's different inserts for different parts of the country. I'm here in Ontario, Southern Ontario. So yeah, so let's see if we received anything this time around. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the elastic. As you can see, there's a bunch of flyers like usual. Some good sales, some not so good sales. We even have an LCBO. It would be nice if these carried coupons, but they do not. I know in store, some of the bottles themselves have the little hang tags if you buy that particular bottle of alcohol, and you'll get savings. But yeah, so let's just go through this fairly quickly. Again, we have some Globo there. Love that shoe store. Oh, and what do we have here? We have a SmartSource insert. Yay! Before we go through that, let's see if there's any others. Flyers, Walmart. Doesn't look like there is. Toys R Us. Oh, there's two Toys R Us flyers. We have Metro here. Okay. And I think that's it. Okay, so here we go. What we've been anxiously anticipating. We have a SmartSource insert. Let's quickly go through it and review the coupons that are available. Also, right here at the top, it says, look for our next insert on April 14th. So pen that date in your calendar, agenda, journal, what have you, and watch out for that date so you too can get your hands on one of these inserts. They also say if you don't receive the inserts, there are free printable coupons on smartsource.ca, so that's another option if you don't have these coupons available to you. Okay, so on the very first page, we see here, present this coupon at a pharmacy for your free one-touch Vario Flex meter with the purchase of 100 one-touch Vario test strips. So that's on the very front page. Moving on, we have these Glade coupons, which are very popular, especially when they go on sale, and especially when Checkout 51 does have these offers available if you are able to match up coupons with the cashback offers. You just have to read the fine print. So the first one is buy one, get one free on Glade plug-in scented oils. Okay. Next, we have save $4 on Glade plug-ins car starter kits. Next to that, we have a buy one, get one free on any Glade candles and wax melt refills. And these regularly go on sale, 2 for $8, sometimes 2 for $6. And then Checkout 51 has another cashback offer, so it's good to hold on to those. When's the expiry date on these? These expire on May 18th, so we have a little over a month, actually a month and a half or so. Next, we have the buy two, save $2 on Scrubbing Bubbles toilet cleaning products. Again, these regularly go on sale. and again, regularly on checkout 51. So that is the time to purchase those. Next, we have the Tia Rosa Save $2 when you buy any one Tia Rosa kit. Now, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you would have seen that we got these for free with the checkout 51 offer. They were on sale, I believe, one time at Metro for $2.99. Checkout 51 had a $3 cashback offer, making them absolutely free. So in the future, if Checkout 51 has an offer and you match this coupon, it could potentially be a moneymaker. Again, as long as Checkout 51 doesn't exclude using coupons. So that's a high value coupon in my opinion. Over here we have Food Saver. Save $10 on any Food Saver vacuum sealing appliance of $129 or higher. And beside that, we have save $3 on any Food Saver roll or bag of $15 or higher. To the next page, we have for the seafood lover in us, we have 10% off of any takeout order, $3 off of any 2 lunch entrees, and $5 off of any dinner entrees. Expiry date is April 13th of 2018. And after that, we have some advertisement on this page. On this page, we have save $1 on any Super Pretzel soft pretzel product. Don't think I've seen those, so that's interesting. And it has a June 17th expiry date. Honestly, don't think I've seen that, but I'm willing to give that a try. And we have some more advertisement, and on the very last page we have a save $2 when you buy any one Clairol Nice and Easy base color product, and that has an expiry date of May 31st. And that's what was in our flyer / inserts this week. So let me know down below if you received your SmartSource. For those of you who received SmartSource, or is it P&G, last week or the week before that, did you receive inserts this week? And if so, what did you receive? I'm curious to know. So, that being said, thank you so much for watching. And like always, I'll talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.